Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to show you how to download React on your Windows operating system and then how you're going to create a project in React we will show you in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, in this video, if you want to install React in your Windows operating system, for that you need two another apps to install. First, Node.js and the second is Visual Studio. Without wasting any time, go jump to Google Chrome and come over the search option and search for Node.js. Click on enter and click on download. So after that, here you will get a download installing interface over here. So for handy using, we can download or we will download that LTS version called v20.13.1. And then if you are in Windows, you can install it from Windows. If you're in Mac. If you're using Linux, you can choose Linux over here. So I'm using Windows, that's why I'm using, I chose Windows over here and running over x64. If you have 86-bit, then you can choose, but I have 64-bit. Then we will click on download and then here you can see the download has been started over here. So it will take some of seconds. For that, I'll fast forward the video. So here you can see the download is completed over here and we will gonna install it in our Windows operating system. For that, click on two times over here, minimize it. So here you can see that we will get a Node.js setup interface over here. So without hesitation, click on next, check the I accept the terms in the license agreement and click next. After that, if you want to browse it or save it for your specific folder, you can choose from here. I will leave it as random and click on next. After that, here nothing to select, click on next, and so you just check it and then click next and click install. And here you can see the installing. Oh, click on yes before, and here you can see the Node.js is getting set up. So after finishing Node.js installation, here you can see, come over this start icon, here you can see recently added Node.js over here. So now what we have to do, we need to download Visual Studio in our Windows operating system. For that, we will search over here, Visual Studio. Here you can see, and then click on this Visual Studio Code Editing Refined. After clicking on that, here we are in Visual Studio download for Windows interface. If you want to change it, you can choose by clicking on this down arrow, and if you want to download it for Mac OS, you can 64 Linux 64. So it's showing your preferable download operating system. So click on download for Windows, and here you can see the download is started over here. You can see. So it will take some of seconds. For that, I will fast forward the video. So here you can see the download is completed over here. Just click on it two times and the setup will be started. So here you can see this is setup Microsoft Visual Studio Code. So click on I accept the agreement and click next, next, okay, and leave it as it is. Click on next and select the all options over here and click next after install. So here you can see the setup and the installation is begin. It will take some of minutes, so for that I will fast forward the video. So here you can see the Visual Studio is downloaded and click on finish. After that it will appear open. So we have nothing to do now. For that just click on close it. So now what we will gonna do, we will gonna create a folder right now. So first we will going to create a folder called React. Click enter. After that, we will go into this React folder, maximize it, and we will come over this option and then type here cmd and click enter. And here you can see the cmd is open over here. So for installing React, we will need to go with this process. So without hesitation and without got distracted, just follow along. So now we will write npx space create dash react dash app space my app. Then click enter. And here you can see that they are installing React. Here you can see installing React, React DOM, and React scripts with CRA template. So it's installing. It will take a minute, 5 or 6. So without wasting any time, I will fast forward the video. So after taking a long time, the React is installed in our operating system, Windows operating system. So for that, we need to go for our Visual Studio Code, and now we need to select that open folder, that folder we created in our desktop, that React my app. Select folder, and here you can see that the app is running. So here you can see there is my app all file over here. So we need to click on src, and here you can see the app.css, app.js. For confirming that our React is installed or not, to click on package.jsn, and here you can see that the React version called 18.31 is installed. Here you can see, and now here you can get that index.csx, index.js, and app.js, app.css. So this is all here. So now what we will gonna do, we will click on this three dot option and check that the npm script is checked over here. You can see maybe in your side there will be not showing this, so you need to select that one. Okay, after that you need to come over this bottom option called npm scripts, click on it, and then click on start and run. And now the in bpm run is start over here. So you can see the React script start. So here you can see the React script is start over here, and now here is hosting or opening a new uh, local host for React app. Here you can see this is React app. So here we will change the name with Hello World, and we will remove this icon, and all items will be removed. For that, first we will name it as Hello World. For that, we need to click on app.js, and now we will delete the all item over here from A to P tag, and then we will create a header one, header file. So here you can see we create a header tag, and then we will write hello world. And here we will go for build and run it, and click on app.js, and then here you can see the hello world is showing right now. Okay. So what we need to do is, first we need to, now we will change the name with hi, and then after that what we need to do, we need to click on this build run, and then after that if we look at our app, here you can see they're showing hi. See, it's very easy, right? So now we will go to app.js and delete the all image items over here, and then create on build, and after that here you can see that nothing is showing over here. You can see So this is how you can install React in your Windows operating system, and there you can create a project in React by Visual Studio. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.